one to look at. Not the most elegant of entrances, but hey.
Hey, it's quite high.
How do you like the new helm position?
Well, here we are. It's lovely.
What do you think?
Oh, look. 3 rings. Fridge.
A fridge?
Yes.
God,
Yes.
we've never had a fridge
Oh,
on a
we've
boat
never had a
before.
fridge. So 2 things. Electricity.
Oh. As in, yeah, 240 volts, yeah.
It's immaculate.
It is immaculate, isn't it? It's like new in the interior. No scratches, no marks, the floor. Ship's bell.
Dinner's on.
I mean, the floor is just incredible.
Look at this. I mean, the condition of this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Hang on. Danish distillers.
Mm.
Sorry, I know it's not the most important thing on. Oh, God. That isn't. I think
That's actually, it was given to the owner by
the build.
the
Really?
shipbuilders in 1992.
That's lovely.
So
Look
drinks
at that.
cabinet.
Drinks cabinet. Cocktail
Cocktail
cabinet.
cabinet.
Wow.
Nice.
Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Really beautiful.
Aussie lights.
Yeah.
Sail store under here. Ah, well, another day.
A windscoop.
Oh yeah. Nice. Dustbuster.
It's for your housework, dear.
This is the heads.
Oh, you can. I see. Shower seat.
Yeah,
I think.
shower seat. Yeah.
Lovely.
The usual shower head lifts out there like that.
That's such a nice touch, though, isn't it? The little brass
Healing.
tiltometer.
Tiltometer.
Yeah. That's a big bit.
Is that big enough for you, sir? Is it? Is it big enough? Now I'm going to show you something. You've not had this before. Are you ready? It's over here.
What is it?
Right. If I can find out how to open it.
A bin! A bin! Yeah! It's the little things, isn't it? The little things.
There is. So what do you think so far?
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. They should be very proud of it. It's immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. Well found. Do you think we should buy it?
I think we should put an offer in.
You reckon?
I reckon, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You're not going to find anything that is
Even close to this.
No, you're not. You could look forever.
Well, I've been, like 2 years I've been looking.
Well, it's one of those, you know, that if you hum and har about,
Yeah.
I think you either have to make up your mind and do it.
One owner. Sweden 340.
I mean, just, you can tell a lot about the way everything is organised beautifully. You know, it's been...
Yeah, been cared for.
Yeah, really cared for. And loved. And respected. So, you know, it's just like a no-brainer really, isn't it?
So we got a little bit giddy about wind scoops and cocktail cabinets, but hey, Sweden Yachts know how to build a boat. So we moved forward and got a survey. And the survey came back with 21 recommendations and 24 advisories. The teak decks need some attention to the caulking. There's a hairline crack just forward of the keel, but the survey said this wasn't a problem. Overall, the hull's in good condition. Looking at the rudder bearing and the steering mechanism, it just needed some TLC and a good greasing. 3 of the through holes are seized, but overall it's a good boat that just needs some TLC. Well, still a lot of questions to be answered, like where would we keep the boat? Should we retire to Portugal and live on it? Or just use it as like a holiday destination? Well, as part of the deal, the boat came with its own swinging mooring on the Guadiana River. Hey, this was looking good. So, did we buy the boat? Hell yeah.